Hi everyone, Ashma here and welcome to my channel Merriness. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Fab Bag for the month of February. The theme of this month is Shades of Love and it is priced at Rs 599 for 1 month. If you're looking for 6 months and 12 month subscription plan, then you can use my code as Ashma10 to get a 10% off. Now without wasting much time, let us quickly get started. So all the products came in this brown chocolatey color bag. It's pretty big unlike the last one's bag, and it also has a handle so you can carry it easily. It's quite spacious. You can have a look here, and the material is okay, so there is a little bit of cushioning. So the first product in the bag is from Bespoke Bubbles. It's a coffee and chocolate body wash. It's for all skin types and the net weight is 100 ml. You can follow them on Facebook and Instagram if you want. This one is priced at Rs 250 and they have mentioned how to use, and it was manufactured in Jan 2019 and best before is 24 months. And here they have mentioned about the product. It says coffee and chocolate acts as an exfoliator on the skin, giving it a natural glow. It contains pure certified kosher glycerin, 100% vegetarian. It's highly moisturizing and the ingredients list is also mentioned. Let me just open this and see how the fragrance is. So there is a mix of coffee and chocolate in similar ratios. So if you like chocolate and coffee, then you might like the fragrance of this one. Then the next product which we have is from Cosmeto Food, and this one is a chocolate mousse skin soother for all skin types. One application is equal to 48 hours of moisturization. The net volume is 20 ml. This one is priced at Rs 249. It was manufactured in December 2018 and it's best before November 2021. And here they have also mentioned how to use this product. So if you want, you can pause and check. You have to massage this product into your skin. That's what I can make it out right now. And also they have mentioned the ingredients list. So this is how the product looks like. It was oozing out when I just opened this tube. Again a chocolate color, and of course chocolate mousse, like chocolate color hi hoga na. So this is how you have to apply it. They have mentioned it that you have to massage it in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. You can use this on your face and body, and this one definitely has a very strong fragrance of chocolate. Then the next product in the bag is from Major Crush. It's a gel shine nail lacquer in the variant Chocolate Armor. It's a full-size 9 ml product and it is having high gloss and long-lasting properties. And again this one, like everything is chocolate I guess in this box. So this is how it is. It's not really thick, it's thin, so you can apply it easily. I'll attach a photo here so you have an idea how the shade looks like. And this one is also priced at Rs 249. Then the last product in the box is a makeup product, and like every month Fab Bag usually sends an email out to select the product, but this month they have not sent it because everybody will be getting the same makeup product, and it is from SFR Colors. It's an artist eyeshadow palette. It's a full-size palette and it is priced at Rs 299 and it has 32 shades if I'm not wrong, and I can see mine, one of the shade is broken. Oh god, yes, so one of them is completely broken and it's moving here and there. So let me just open this eyeshadow and show it to you. So yes, one of the eye shade has come broken and it's all around in the palette. It's going to take me really long to clean this up. I am a bit disappointed right now at this point looking at that particular shade, because all the other colors are looking so pretty and beautiful. Just that I am not happy with that. I know they had bubble wrapped it, but still it's come broken, so they should take more precautions in sending this particular palette. So let me just show you all how the shade is. This is how it looks. I hope it's getting captured. And I have already done multiple swatches here, so I'm going to show it to you again. It's not very pigmented, but if you want the same color to pop up, you will have to apply it quite a few times and layer it, so then only the shade you can see the shade properly. I'll also attach a picture here of all the swatches so you can have a look. Is their information card. Apart from this, they also have this in my fab bag contest every month. You just have to click a picture of your fab bag and post it on Instagram, Facebook or Twitter, out of which 10 winners will be announced the next month. So overall, 4 products at a price point of rupees 599. Well, I think everything was chocolate except this eyeshadow palette, and I would have preferred something else, maybe a caramel or a vanilla product, instead of having all these 3 products in the chocolate range. And I am a bit disappointed because my eyeshadow has come broken, but other than that, all of them are from new brands which I haven't tried before, so I am looking forward to try them out and see how it works out for me. So if you are interested in this month's fab bag, the shades of love, then you can get this for yourself, and all the details about it will be mentioned in the description tab. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you all soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.